Alright, so we're saying goodbye to GAD and we're heading to DonkeyTec. Yeah. Frank can't get over his Lambo dash.
You guys gotta loan us one of these stations.
Yeah, mit Lambo. I'm really surprised, like even fuel level works.
Yeah, show him the other screen that has like 30 different.
That's for the VDM module. Lap timer.
First lap.
Yeah. And battery, like everything. Oh.
Damn.
And Lambo style. Wait a second. Grapes and good wine. Gorgeous. Vineyards on hills. We need entry.
This is the wrong shop, there's a Lambo. What's up?
Nice to meet you.
It's been a while.
Yeah, it's been a while. It's sweet.
How's it going? Nice to meet you. I know. Hey, I wonder whose Honda it is.
Daniel.
Kyle. So what do you got going on in the shop? What kind of projects?
Yes, we can go around the shop.
Yeah.
This is the project from a customer. It's a VR6 12 valve turbo with the GT35.
Nice.
Yeah, not much power for the street.
Yeah.
With pump gas. It's a little street project. Yeah, we have engine builds for customers.
Oh yeah.
We built that with the
Strange.
bicycle pistons and
Strange motors.
this project.
Oh wow.
Friend of us had a BMW workshop. They only work with BMWs, and they have half my project because rear-wheel drive on the quarter mile in Germany is not possible to drive. The tracks are so bad here.
Yeah, you don't have many prep tracks here,
No.
do you? A lot of runways.
Only Santa Pot in England.
Oh, okay. That's a bit of a drive. How much power do you think it'll make?
Last time was 850 horsepower with pump gas, and now we hope with C16 and the new turbocharger over 1000.
Sweet. That's a lot of power for one of these cars.
Then we have original Corrado.
I like this body
exhaust is
style.
not, but it's original. 150,000 kilometers. Original from an old man.
Really?
Bought them and
No modifications?
no modifications.
Just exhaust?
Only exhaust, yes. Yes, and here we have an original VR6. It's a gift from my wife to my birthday. Original.
Really?
It's not an ported engine or something. It's the original Volkswagen Audi engine. Original.
You know you have...
0 kilometers. Zero.
Oh really?
I don't know where the...
No way. Dang, 0 miles. Are you serious? Yeah, it looks like... But it just, yeah. Looks like it's just been collecting dust and that's about it.
Yeah, but here, it is the original engine.
Holy cow. And the white car is kind of cool.
White car is the VR6 Turbo Cabrio.
Huh.
Yeah, for summertime, customer.
Stance
On the
Nation.
street. Little turbo GT30 style.
Look at the headlights.
It's
so angry.
It's a GT30.
Is it Sommerseite?
No, it's from a friend. And yeah, it's a little turbocharger, but for street drive. His wife drives the car, and I want a little bit more power.
So you've built your name on Volkswagens, but you have a new project, and there's a hint here with the logo.
Yes.
Let's check that out.
Yes, I'll show you.
Oh yeah. Very nice. What year is this one?
2005.
Okay.
Yeah, it's the old version, the 5.0 liter. We want to build it up with the original engine with sleeves in it. Yeah, the NG Motorsports make the head porting for us.
What power goals you have for it?
Original 520, and we see on the internet what they reach with those cars, but we want to start our own stage 1 for street with pump gas, and then we want to see what we can do.
I'm excited to see what you do with it. It'll be crazy.
We are very excited too. It's a new competition for us.
Well, thank you for the tour. I'm excited to see you guys out Saturday and see what these cars do. I know Whitty's excited to go for a ride in that BMW if there's time.
Yeah. Tomorrow we go to dyno and then we want to drive it.
What mile an hour are you hoping for on the BMW?
I think last time was
or kilometer,
280 kilometers.
We just left GAD and they've got a couple cars they want to do 300 with, so maybe we'll just have to line up with them in the BMW.
Yeah, if we can make it over 300, it's a dream, yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe the dream come true.
That'd be awesome. Are you bringing this on Saturday?
Yes, on Saturday and
awesome.
Tomorrow on dyno. And this is the specs are GTX 35, pump gas 102 octane, fuel, German pump gas.
Yeah, you guys get 102 octane pump gas here.
And yeah, GTX 35, 2.9 liter engine, 12 valve VR6.
It's so quiet.
Yeah, because it's street car.
Oh yeah, true. It's really nice and quiet. How much power is this?
Around 600, 700.
Nice.
Street use, and
hell yeah.
Tomorrow we put it up a little bit for the race on Saturday.
What's this?
This is the exhaust temperature.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's cool.
Drive a little bit because the oil is cold.
Yeah, get it warmed up. Oh my god. It catches you off guard because you're just cruising around and it's so quiet.
Yes, it's quiet, but if you push the
It starts torque steering all over the place.
Yes.
That was crazy.
This is the street mode now.
Yeah. I love it. Once the wastegates open up, you're like, okay, yeah, this thing's serious.
Wow.
Damn.
Screams, yeah.
That's badass. I was not expecting that.
No?
Yeah, I mean.
Yeah, because it's so quiet.
Yeah. Dang.
Yeah, I think it's perfect for streets. So on third gear it's spinning, but you can control it.
But that's the fun part.
Yes.
If it just goes straight, then
if it goes straight, you can.
You need some more power.
Yeah. Then you need some more power. Yes.
What the fuck? You even made the turn. Holy shit. That's, yeah. meet someone and 2 minutes later you're in their car going for a ride in a 600 horsepower RS3.
Oh, that feels good.
There
Oh
we
my
go.
god.
But it's not a Beetle, it's actually, it's a Porsche.
What?
But it's a value from the...
Wow. Low speed.
Yeah, exactly. 2,500 RPM or something. Because we're going to 120,000 RPM now.